Hello everyone and good morning. As you are very clear or you know about it, it's a doubt session. Whatever we have learned in the last 1 to 3 days, sir, where is this 1 to 3 days happen? If you will come to my website, okay, if you will come to my website, Cloud DevOps Hub, in the Cloud DevOps Hub, we have started a new batch that is on 11th of October and it's a 14th of October. So three classes already done. In these three classes, if anyone who is watching this video haven't registered, you can just click on this registration link and you can join my classes. Okay. As well as whatever the three classes has been done, where is the recording? This is the home page you can call. Okay. You can bookmark this page where the syllabus, current batch detail, syllabus link, live class, how to join it, playlist of the YouTube, as well as so many information which is really required or bare minimum required is available into this place. Day one video is already here, day two is here, day three is here, and today we are organizing a doubt session. If you have any question, you are feel free to ask anything related to your career guidance, related to the interaction. At least you have to be aware. I have to be aware about my students, okay, so that I can deliver in the complete duration as per your requirement or as per your expectation. Okay, because definitely you are joining me, so you have some expectation, right? So if I will not get to know that what's your expectation, it will be not great, but I will deliver the things best of my experience. Okay, but if I will listen something from you guys in the starting of the session, that will be great, right? So I want to give an opportunity to you guys. You are feel free to unmute. Okay, it will be more interactive because as I message in our group that we will talk with the camera now. Okay, because today is just an interactive session, we don't have to do anything much. So I already message in our batch 32 group student that let's make it more interactive and be available with the camera. So I want everyone to switch on the camera. It will be more interactive and our communication will be better. Okay, as well as I just want to show that what is happening today in our group. Okay, this is today. Okay, one girl, Sheetal. Okay, Sheetal, I think we talked in the last class also. Sheetal is started giving the interview. Okay, and she cleared the first round. If the first round is cleared, definitely somehow or second round will also get clear based on her knowledge. Okay, so Sheetal, all the best. Just give the interviews. Okay, no need to stop yourself. Give 2 interview, 3 interview, 4 interviews. Okay, and definitely you will get a offer very soon. And yes, the starting of my giving the interviews from our batch is started. Cool. Sheetal, you are here or not? Sheetal is not here, no worries. Okay, but guys, this is our batch 32 and students are happy that if someone will message in a group that I given the interview, other will get motivated. He will tomorrow, he will go for the interview. People will at least try by own or try and checking the things that what is the interview question came, what all things are happening. They will get to know by each other. Okay, cool guys. I just want to give opportunity to you guys. You are feel free to ask any question, whatever you have. Devanshu, we are able to see you.
Yeah, hello sir. Good evening. Good morning, sir.
Good morning, Devanshu.
Yes,
Yes.
sir. Yeah, I have one question.
How
Currently I
much?
am working
Just
in
I
a
just okay. You are currently where you are working.
yeah, I am working in a company as a application support engineer.
Okay. And
Yeah.
how much is your
So
experience?
yeah, my experience is around 3 years.
Cool. Good. Okay. In application support, you are doing the technical work or non-technical work?
Yeah, currently we are doing the management work as of now, as per
Okay.
the company
Can you see
requirement.
in the right direction where you are seeing?
Oh, sorry.
Yes, now it's correct.
Sorry. I was thinking that I am looking into the camera, but unfortunately not.
Yeah. See, guys, we have to maintain this thing also because when we will go for the interview, if this thing will be correct, it will be happy, right? If sometime interview feel that he don't know how to talk, it's not good, right? Yeah, go ahead, Devanshu. Yes, you are doing the management work. I agree.
Yeah, management work and some handling of the tickets on the service now.
Tickets, but how you are resolving the ticket? Who is resolving the ticket?
The ticket is like that we have some inbuilt tools.
Okay.
We
I
have the
means
inbuilt
the
tools.
ticket is assigned to which person, which team? Your team?
Yeah, it is assigned to our team, but our work is to analyze the issue and assign it to the next level higher concern team.
Okay, means you
But
are working,
analysis,
means your team
but
is working
analysis
as
takes
a,
a lot of time.
okay, yeah, I agree. But your team work as a L1 and L2, right? They are not
L2,
directly
we are working as
resolving.
a L2, not
Correct.
L1. Just directly assign the ticket to us without any
Correct.
analysis.
And L2 some verification will do if they are able to resolve it. You may
Yeah,
have the run book
usually,
also. You may
yeah,
have
we
the
have
run
some
book
run
or
book.
playbook. Okay. Directly see
Yeah.
that if anything is written here, answer is ready-made available, you will execute and you will solve the issue. Right?
Yeah, and one more thing, and one more thing which happens is like usually that our L3 team is the development team. So
Okay.
our
Correct.
analysis should be of that level that only the only like suppose that if we give an analysis to the L3 team,
Correct.
so they will make changes in the code directly. So we have to
Correct.
be aware that the issue is because of the code only.
Okay, correct. Yes. See, the analysis is always required. Devanshu, I have a one suggestion for you. Whenever, if any of the ticket you guys are assigning to L3, okay, whatever the solution they are providing it, if you guys are not able to give the answer, whatever the solution they are providing it, explore that and provide the RCA. Try to understand more into the technical term.
Okay.
Okay,
But
like,
usually like then they handle the ticket from their end.
yeah,
They
but
don't
see,
assign it to
when
us.
they will close the ticket, they will give the
Mhm.
comment that what they fixed, they have happened, right? Whatever the version, new version is coming, how they are fixing it. They are writing this or not?
No, they just say that like user confirmed on the teams that yeah the that now
No,
the
that's not a
issue
good,
has been
that's not a
fixed.
good practice. Tell to your manager, whatever the L3 issues are getting fixed, okay?
Mm-hmm.
Make a proper
Mm-hmm.
documentation for that so that you guys can able to learn it.
Oh yeah. So
Okay?
like can I switch into DevOps and like because I don't have any experience into the DevOps, so if I switch into any other company, so what experience will I show? So that
See,
was
if
my question.
if you're interested, you want to come into the cloud and DevOps, you will be the most eligible person. Why I'm telling? Because you are already doing the L2 work. You are little bit into the technical side. You are already into the
Yeah.
application support, right? So you know the operation part of the operation part of the cloud and DevOps, right? Right. So if you know, if you will get to know little bit about the tools also, the DevOps tools, you will easily able to commit. So you just have to learn the DevOps tools. You just have to learn any of the cloud and you can become a cloud and DevOps engineer and you are the most eligible. And how you will convert your experience, whatever is the support work you are doing it. Okay. If there is a technical things inside it, it will be great. If not, you have to add the things, technical things that you are handling the Linux servers. Okay. You are doing the admin work. You are not, you don't have to say that you are working into the L2. You have to say that you are working as a L3, right? And then you write into
But
the
like
resume based on your knowledge, based on your how you are giving the answers, crack the interview.
but usually in the interview they ask the scenarios type questions.
So I will help you out. For that, you have to learn from somewhere. You need a mentor. I will help you out with the scenarios. Have you attended my day one, day two, day three classes?
Not as such because usually like I we work in the US shift, so
Then
that is why.
then it's
But
very bad. I will suggest you just see my day one, two, three classes. Okay. I have taken care of some
okay,
scenarios and you will get the confidence by own.
okay,
Okay. Just see these classes Monday 8 a.m. Come to the live class as well. Make sense?
okay. And one more thing, like what
Right?
is the like at 8 a.m. means
Yep.
do we have any other timings apart
No,
from that?
no, we don't have because for the learning purpose, only the morning time is the best time. Okay. One answer. Second point, evening batch I created. Okay. But I was also not very comfortable because not everyone's evening will not be the same time. Someone will say that I will come at 6 p.m. Someone will say I will come at 9 p.m. Someone will say I will come at 11 p.m. So what time we have to decide? It's very difficult. And some students are like taking the dinner and attending my class. And I don't like that. Okay, it's not good, right? You
Yeah, I
feel
do understand.
right. If you
And
want
in
to,
the and in this we would be creating some projects as well.
obviously, I think you have to see my day one class. You will get all the answers. Yes, we have a projects
Okay.
also. I will teach the project. If you will see here, everywhere the practical learnings we will see practical 21, practical 22, 23. And at the end, there are three projects which are connecting from the last 45 days. Whatever we have learned, we are connecting the dots and we are creating the projects in different varieties, which you can directly
Okay,
write
all
in your
right.
resume that I work into this part. Whatever the L3 team is doing it, I will teach you beyond that. Okay,
Okay.
because in your company, whatever
But here
LTP,
it is mentioned like Java, Python, and also
the code will be
like
Java based. This code,
programming.
see, it's not, you are not a developer. Your application also, whatever you are supporting, it will be written in some language, right?
Yeah, it is written in Go,
Yes,
Golang.
that's okay. So you know Go language
No, not as such. Like
from the
we are
last
just
3 years.
handling
See,
the.
from the last 3 years you are supporting, right? You don't know how to write a Go program, right? That's
Yeah,
not your.
like I have changed two companies. Like in the previous company, I was working on the Windows server, and
uh,
here in this company, the current company, working as an application support
that's
person.
okay. That's
So the
okay.
both the experiences are different.
That's
So I was
that's
never
good.
into the.
That's good. You are more eligible for to become a cloud and DevOps because you are already administrator person.
Yeah, like in the means I have a basic a sound knowledge on Active Directory and all,
That's good. That's
and
good.
networking part and all.
That will be great. Okay, I will help you out. I will groom up your networking knowledge also. Whatever you have here is the networking classes. I will take care of networking also into the cloud. Okay, and whatever the AD knowledge you have, AD is more similar to the IAM into the AWS user management, group management, role management, policy management,
Yeah,
right? So I will take care in
yeah,
the
yeah.
AWS service, that is IAM, that is my day 11. Guys, I'm very much confident whatever you are doing in the last 3, 4, 5 years, everything is covered into this course.
Okay.
Yep.
So like programming is not that much required, right?
See, do you want to become a developer?
No, not as such. Now
Then
I
why
don't think.
programming? Then why you are eating the developer's
No,
job?
like why I was asking that in the project the Java, Python, and all was
See,
written. So
the
that is why.
application is Java based. I'm not telling you to write the Java code. I never told that I will teach you the Java coding. No, this is not, this is a Java developer work. I want to become a cloud and DevOps engineer. So the project will be Java based, but with the help of Git, with the help of Jenkins, with the help of Jenkins file, with the help of Docker, we will create a project.
Okay, all right.
Devanshu,
And after that, like for which jobs you would be eligible? Like for the DevOps job.
Devanshu, you have to see my day one for sure. Okay, that's a highly
Okay,
required.
sure.
Okay, but I will give the answer. Okay, where is the day one? Because in the day one, I have explained you all these things because these are the very common questions from everyone. Okay, which all roles
All
you
right.
guys can apply. I will show you. I will show you. Just give me a second. Yep. After learning with me, you are eligible to apply for this many job roles. DevOps engineer, cloud engineer, SRE, cloud system admin, GCP DevOps, AWS DevOps, Azure DevOps, CI/CD engineer, and these are the different profiles are there, which is nothing but very similar to cloud and DevOps engineer only. Okay, but different company, different names are there. Okay,
Correct, correct, correct.
yeah,
All right. And like what? And can we have the help in the resume building as well?
you must have to see my day one. Yes, I think you haven't seen anything. You are directly
Yeah.
asking the questions.
Uh,
See,
Vikas sir, what is the
Sumant,
GCP?
wait. Okay, one person has to be. Resume preparation, interview preparation is already mentioned here. You have to see the poster as well. You haven't read it. You're on mute. You are on mute. You are on mute.
Uh, Things I have, mentioned, but they don't tell what is mentioned. So
It's
that
not
is
like that.
why.
Whatever is mentioned, I will deliver more than that. We are not like that. We are open. I am in front of you. None of the institute
Yeah.
or none of the people will be like this.
And like, what is the duration of this course? Like,
Yes, the duration of the course is here. Day 55. 55 live classes will happen. And whatever is happening today, it's all extra. Lot of extra things will be there, which I cannot write it into this sheet because this sheet size will be very big. Already this
so it
sheet,
will take. I mean, so we can take roughly 2.5 months, right?
yes, more than 2.5 months. I need absolutely 2.5 months from you guys.
Okay, and it will happen from Monday to Friday.
Yes, Monday to Friday, 8 a.m. IST.
Okay, all right. Yeah, that's it from my end.
Cool. I hope
Thank
you are
you for.
satisfied. I hope you are satisfied with my answers.
Yeah, I am.
Okay.
Yeah, I am. But like, and for this, like, some prerequisite knowledge is required
No,
apart from
only
this.
only the Zoom and Chrome is required. You have to just see my day one, and again in the evening you can just message me. Okay, you are in any of the WhatsApp group?
Yeah, I have. Yeah, from there I have joined from this link.
Yes. So just see the day one, and whatever the question you have, just message into the group. I will give the answer, because whatever the questions you are asking, everything has been covered in the day one.
All right, sounds good. Okay,
Yeah, cool. Because see, it's a 2 hour class, and 2 hours is a big duration, right? Right?
correct.
Cool. Thank you. Yeah,
Thank you.
thank you. Yeah. Next person, any other person? Guys, go ahead. Switch on the camera. Feel free to ask the questions, whatever is coming in your mind. The agenda for the today's session is doubt clearing, whatever the questions in your mind.
Vikas sir, what is GCP DevOps?
GCP, what is GCP? You can give me the answer.
GCP.
Google Cloud Platform. It's a cloud provided by Google.
Correct. It's a Google Cloud. Okay. If you're doing the activity with the open source tool on the Google Cloud, that will become a GCP DevOps role.
Okay, Vikas.
Cool. Yeah. Nice. Next question. Guys, feel free, ask anything. Introduce yourself.
Hi Vikas, this is Kavya.
Yeah, Kavya.
So I want to know, when we give our details in LinkedIn, so when we mention a skill that we know,
Correct.
is it a good practice to participate in the quiz they give?
It's your choice. If you want to practice or you want to give the quiz, you can give, but it's not mandatory. Okay. But it will be good. Your LinkedIn profile rank will get increased if your quiz score is high.
Okay. Suppose the quiz score, like if we attend, the score is less, can we
Then
re-attend?
you
They'll
can
know.
you can re-attend. You can re-attend. Not a big deal. Okay.
But like if we re-attend, then there is a chances of the score reducing, right, for that skill?
It's not like it's an algorithm base. Okay. So if you will give again and again 10 times, you get fail, then then LinkedIn will get to know that you don't know this skill.
Okay.
Okay. So it's a good, it's a bad also. Okay. If you are confident, whatever the skills you are mentioning, give the quiz. That's good.
Okay, Vikas. Thank
Yep.
you.
Thank you. Yeah. Next question. Any career related question, guys? Or any question from once again, any question from the day one, day two, day three, whatever I have teach to you guys, whoever attended my live class, okay, or any of the recorded class also. Any question from the day one, day two, day three?
Sir, I have a question.
Go ahead, switch on your camera. It will be good. Yeah, Mohit.
So, sir, as a DevOps engineer, how much knowledge of a Selenium, like testing tools,
Selenium is
is
not
required?
Selenium is not a Selenium script has been developed by the QA people or QA automation people. Okay. So if you don't, if
Okay.
you have a zero knowledge on Selenium also, that's very, very good. Doesn't require. Okay. That's a
Okay.
QA automation engineer work, not a DevOps engineer.
Okay.
It will be get integrated with the Jenkins. Okay. That
Okay.
will be helpful. Okay. And integration is just a plugin install and give the URL.
Okay.
Done. Or give the script location. Done. Okay.
Got
Then
it.
you can say as a DevOps engineer, I worked into the Selenium also. Okay.
Okay.
Mohit, you are a QA engineer. What exactly your profile?
Sir, actually, right now I'm a cloud engineer, working as a cloud engineer.
Good. What are things you are doing as a cloud engineer?
I'm
How much
working
experience?
in,
First tell me how much experience?
so I have a one approx 2 year
Okay,
relevant
cool.
experience.
Okay,
Yeah.
cool. In the
And
2
I'm
years,
working
what
with
are things?
AWS.
Good. What all things you did in 2 years? My student want to know.
So I'm handling multiple clients. It's a service-based company, so I'm
Okay.
handling multiple clients' account,
Okay.
their database, their instances, and these all things. And I'm also learning like a Lambda function, these serverless things. I've also like learned.
Mohit. Introduce like you are selling yourself. Okay.
Okay.
You are giving your introduction and it should be impressive.
Okay.
in the database, which database, give the keyword. Let assume
Okay.
interviewers don't know the things. Okay. But you have to be very confident what you are giving. Okay. Because you have a
Okay.
2 years of real experience, right? Some fake people will say better than you and get a job. Right? Yes or
Yes,
no?
sir. Yes, sir.
Yes. So in the database, which database?
So we are using RDS, and there are
Okay.
multiple options like MySQL,
Correct.
Postgres, and all these
Correct.
things.
Have you created the clusters into the database?
No, sir,
No.
not cluster.
You are taking the backups. You guys are taking the backup of database.
Yeah, backup or yeah,
Okay, cool.
backup monitoring and these things.
Cool. Good, good. Which monitoring tool
Putting
which monitoring tool you are using in your company?
so right now we're using Uptime for like if
Okay.
some site gets down,
Uptime
we
is
get
just a ping
info.
check. Uptime is just a ping
Yeah,
check.
yeah.
It's just a 1%
Other
of the monitoring.
so CloudWatch I'm
Yeah,
using
CloudWatch. Okay, good.
AWS
Cool, good. Yep.
for
Okay.
memory
Do you
CPU.
know? Do you know? In my class also, I will teach you the CloudWatch. Okay. I will
Okay.
teach the RDS database, RDS. Okay. Amazon RDS database I will teach. That's why I want to know that as a cloud engineer, what all things you are doing. If
Yes,
I'm
sir.
missing something, I will add in my this syllabus.
Okay. So I think these are like enough things like CloudWatch, RDS, PC2, and you're also talking about the serverless in the last class.
Correct, correct. Good, good, good. Okay, fine. So Mohit, you are doing only 4 days work from my syllabus in the 2 years. Is that correct? Sorry to say, but yeah, that's
Yeah,
the truth,
sir.
right?
Yeah, sir. Yeah, sir.
Okay, cool. No worries. Good, good, good. No need to worry.
That's
Okay.
why, like, so that's why, like, here my work is like limited to system admin and cloud. Like,
Okay, fine.
I'm taking care of the instances and
Okay. Do you do
implementing. Like,
some?
I have implemented Git pipeline only.
There is no
I
Git
have
pipeline.
learned,
It's a
but
Jenkins pipeline.
so GitHub
As a
actions.
GitHub Actions. Okay.
Yeah,
Yeah. Then fine.
yeah,
Okay.
yeah. These things. I have also learned few things, but
Mhm.
not implemented
Yep.
those other things.
Whatever you have
Jenkins.
learned, okay. Watch some YouTube videos. Okay. Do the practical of that. Okay. And then write in your resume. Okay. Because if your
Yeah,
resume weightage is more, your package will be more. If your knowledge is
exactly.
more, package will be knowledge and package is directly proportional.
Right, sir.
And next time, just a small suggestion, whenever you are giving your introduction, okay, use the
Okay.
technical keywords. Okay, don't say database. If you say RDS, it will be more weightageable. Okay. And don't say that I'm working on the database or networking. In the networking, what all things? If you don't have the answer, no worries. The answer is written here. I'm creating the subnet, I'm creating the internet gateway, I'm
VPC.
creating the
Yeah,
net,
first
net
we
gateway,
yeah.
I'm creating the root tables, I'm creating the security NSCL, I'm doing the VPC pairing,
Public subnet, yeah.
public subnet. If you will tell this much thing into the networking now, 10 lakh package is in your pocket.
Yes.
Good, nice. Cool, cool. Because see, I just want why I'm telling this because it will be good for you. That's it.
Yeah, sir. That's why, sir, I'm like looking for a DevOps job. So thought of like doing
But
your
you
course.
haven't told that you haven't worked into the DevOps yet.
So not that confidence I have. Like,
So you have to learn it, please.
yes.
Okay, good, good, good.
Yes. Thank you, sir.
Yeah, Mohit, you are satisfied with my answer?
Yes, sir.
Cool, cool. Next
you.
person. Thank you. Next person. Yeah, Keshav, your hand is up. Go ahead.
So, hi Vikas. Actually, I have a total of, am I audible?
Yes, you are audible. If you will switch on the camera, it will be good. It will be more interactive. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Go ahead.
So,
Yeah, Keshav, we are able to
I
see you.
have,
Yep.
okay, so I have a total of 7 years of experience, but
Okay.
not in a technical background. I
Okay.
have handled projects, but mostly it was of predictable, that is waterfall method, not an agile thing, and not on in a software project. So
Okay.
that's why I was planning to switch in the tech part. So that's why I have taken this course.
Okay, you are already my batch student, right? You are already my batch student, right?
No. Actually, my friends have referred to me. I am from Amazon actually. I have been working in Amazon for
Full
past 3
Amazon
years.
team is in my previous batch, in before that also, and in this group
Yes.
also, full Amazon is there. In every batch, 3 to 4 students. Keshav, your voice is not very clear. Yeah, Keshav, from
No, I think
every
the
batch,
network issue.
in every batch, minimum 4 to 5 students are from Amazon.
Yes.
Yes.
So that's why I want to switch the job into the technical part. But only
Okay.
concern is that I don't have any background of like software
See.
or like
Keshav,
programming.
in Hindi, if I will tell you,
The DevOps, as you told, I have attended your.
Keshav, your voice is not very clear. But in Hindi, I want to say one thing. Okay, you are the
Yeah.
son of the Raja, because Amazon is a
Okay.
king into the market of the IT. Okay, or you are the son for that. If you will say I'm a non-technical, then only people will think that you are a non-technical. Otherwise, if you will say I'm in Amazon, 100% people will say that you are a 20 lakh package, 30 lakh or 40 lakh package DevOps, 40 lakh package engineer. Right? Yes or no? Right? So don't
Yes,
think
yes,
that
that is true
that is
because
100% true. Okay. Don't think that you are a non-technical. Upgrade yourself from a day one itself. Okay. As you already joined, if you feel that you are a non-technical, watch this again. Attend my live class, watch this again one more time. Your confidence, or you will become a technical person by own.
okay, fine, Vikas. And actually, I have done Python language. I have learned Python language. It is way back 3 years back.
That's
So
good.
I'm
Revise
not
that.
into it. I have not practiced it.
That's okay, but revise it. Now the time came. Revise it.
Okay.
See,
Okay.
you are telling your father is a king, and if you are telling Python, your brother is another king of another country. Okay, means two
Okay.
big things you have.
Yes.
Okay, so Python, if you have learned it some years back, now the time came, revise it. Okay, that's it.
Okay, fine.
No one will going to
How
ask.
much it will affect?
Keshav,
How
first, so you
much it
have to
will
switch.
affect the DevOps what I am learning and about the language?
See, Keshav, first you have to
Wait.
fix your internet. Okay, yeah, you can switch off your video and talk.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah,
See,
okay.
how much you have to learn? Whatever I'm teaching, that's more than enough. Regarding the Python, whatever you can, that's more than enough. Okay. If you understood one interview question per day also for the next 20 days or next 30 days, 30 interview questions is more than enough for Python. Guys, are you
Okay,
agree?
Vikas.
Everyone? It's not only for
That's
Keshav, it's for everyone.
Yes, sir.
Okay, cool. Good. What else, guys?
Thank you, Vikas.
Thank you. Thanks. Keshav, next time fix your internet connection. Okay, that's really must.
For sure, definitely.
And
Yeah.
with your headphone also.
Yeah, sure, definitely.
Cool. Good. Next question, guys. Next person. Next question. Jyoti, Harshika, Bhagwat, Pratik, Sadhna, Santosh. Guys, any question? Tapan, Sandeep. Go ahead. Who is that?
Vikas, I have a question here.
Yeah, Jyoti.
This is
It will be good if you will switch on your camera. If possible, I'm not hard coding it.
Actually, yeah. Okay. So I'll just go ahead with my introduction first. So I have around 6+ years of experience in mainframe development. Okay. And now, like, whenever I'm trying to switch my job, like, I'm not getting a single call nowadays. So the thing is that if I getting call also, they are unable to pay me whatever I'm getting right now.
Correct.
Okay.
Because
the thing is
the
that
biggest
I just want to upgrade my
biggest reason is mainframe is outdated. Okay. None of the 20 lakh package engineer, they don't need in mainframe profile. Okay. So they will not give 15-20 lakh package in the mainframe at this point. Servers or current applications, servers and current applications are running. They are just maintaining it. New development, new enhancements, or new features development is not happening into the mainframe.
Okay, all right. So just I have very big doubts here. Like whenever I'll switch my career to the DevOps, I'll put my resume like whatever experience I have in IT. So how
Correct.
much experience I should put as a DevOps, and then I can like go ahead with searching the job.
You will give the interview to me. Okay. How much answers you will give?
Okay.
Based on that,
okay.
I will tell you that you have to write 6 months, you have to write 1 year, or you have to write 5 years. But if you will not give the interview to me, I
Okay.
can't.
The last question is like
You are satisfied with my previous answers?
yes, that is what I was
Because see,
expecting.
I can't say
So
that.
that's totally
write
different.
it-
Then
Because see, every student is different. How you are giving the answers, that different.
Mhm.
Correct? So I don't have a ready-made answer that I will tell that 2 years, write it and
yeah,
go.
that's correct.
Cool. Continue. Yes. Next question.
Okay, that's all right. But entertaining the interviewer for an hour and then going like working with them and like working with them that also in a 9 hours. That's the different matter. That's the different thing I would
You
say.
will get selected, or you will get a
So
20 lakh.
clearing interviews once.
Jyoti, 1 second. Getting an
Yes.
offer of 20 lakh or 40 lakh will happen in the 15 minutes of the interview only. Correct? Yes or no?
Correct, but the thing is that is not like you have to go. Yeah, but the thing is that whenever they are paying you 20 lakh or 30 lakh, you have to meet the expectations, right?
Jyoti, then you don't have to switch your job.
And that's that.
Jyoti, if you are that much worried, no need to switch what we can say, switch your job, be into the mainframe only. Okay? If you are that much worried. Is that fine?
Okay.
Right? If you're that much worried,
So.
how you will take the step? You have to
Jyoti,
come out. You have
Jyoti,
to come
even
out.
I am from mainframe background.
See?
And I have also almost like a same experience as you.
Correct.
And even I am trying to switch from pretty long time. I have actually tried with big data when it was in boom. And then I got to understand that cloud is the future. And then I did my cloud with Amazon itself. And then I got to understand just cloud is not the solution. We have to add a flavor on that. Later, I joined because I've been known him like pretty long time. I've been trying to join this course from pretty long time, but I could not for some other reason. But later I joined at any point. So
yeah, Pratik is my student. Jyoti, see, Jyoti, it's a simple. Until unless you will take the step, nothing will happen. Okay. If you will be always worried to take the step, you will be worried for the next 2 years, next 10 years. And I have the example. Some students was telling that, sir, I have a 5 years experience into this. And after 5 years back, he is coming that, sir, now I have a 10-year experience. Now I want to learn with you. So I told that if you want to learn with me, if you learned 5 years back only, now you will be into the thousands time better condition, right? Agree? Jyoti, yes or no?
Yeah, I agree.
Right, Jyoti, so don't think much. If you think that I will become failure, I will become fail, okay? So you will not give the exam, that's not correct, okay? Give the exam, if it's fail, learn from the exam, give it again, that's it. Then only you will learn. Right, yes or no?
Yeah. Yes, that's correct.
That's it.
The thing that we have to practice.
Simple answer, okay? And I'm telling you, if you're worried that in 1 hour, if I will crack the interview, how you will work, you are doing my practicals, okay? I'm pretty sure if someone has a 10 years experience also and he knows all these things, well and great. He is not joining with me if he knows all these things. He will be already into the 40 lakh package if he knows all these things.
Okay.
Okay. Yep.
Okay. All right. Thank you, Vikas.
Cool. Yeah. Go ahead. Next person, next question. Jyoti, you are satisfied with my answer?
Yes, Vikas.
Cool. Thank you. Next person, next question, guys. Guys, ask your questions, whatever is coming in your mind.
Hi, Vikas. Kumar this side.
Yeah, Kumar. Kumar, it will be good if you will switch on the camera. Guys, as soon as it will be great. Okay, it will be easy. Yep. Yeah, Kumar.
Yeah, hi Chris. Actually, I have 4+ year experience in the telecom background.
Okay.
Nature of the work is like I will deploy the servers in the VNFs, and also the recently we have changed it to the containerizations.
Cool. Good.
So I have taken this course for that purpose mainly. I have idea to move on the DevOps side mostly.
Cool. Good.
Uh,
What is your
so
question? What is your
yeah,
question?
no, it's not a question. Like I just want to introduce myself to.
Okay. See, Kumar, in your company, in a telecom domain, already moving from the VMs to the containers, right?
Yes.
From means in short, I will say that in a technical term, I will say that from a three-tier architecture to the microservice architecture, it is happening in your company, correct?
Yes.
And I will also do the same thing. The first project I will take this project, I will take it as an old technology with the help of CI/CD. Okay. This is a three-tier architecture diagram I will teach to you. Okay. Three-tier application.
Okay.
And then with the help of Kubernetes, I will teach you the microservice-based application.
Okay.
So whatever is happening in your company, I will also teach the same thing to you.
Yeah, okay. But in my company, like they are using their own platform. They have some
Which cloud?
container service. It's
cloud?
like NCS they have. They are using the bare metal maximum, the Dell EMC bare metals, and from that they are taking the containerization, and we are deploying.
Your telecom domain is in 5G or 3G only or 2G only?
Yeah, I'm working on 5G actually.
5G only. That's okay. That's okay. See, that's okay because see, it's everyone's choice, right? Some people like flats, some people will like bungalows, some people will like duplex, some will say that no, I will create a villa, right? Everyone has a different choice, right? But everyone is creating a house. That's for sure.
Yeah,
correct?
Yeah, that's.
So it's a company choice that they want to create it on a bare metal. That's okay. But see, work will be same. You don't have to worry.
Okay.
Yep.
But because recently I'm just interacting with 2 or 3 customers, mostly they are preferring the bare metal servers, the platform, the EMCs. They are going for the Dell EMCs actually.
Correct.
I'm not able to get why they are going for the bare.
It's a matter. See, what's your domain? Okay. If your domain is more suitable or more comfortable with the bare metal, people has to move.
Okay.
Right. That can be a reason. Okay. Or if same mentality people. Right. Yeah. So it can be anything, not a problem. But see, container will be get created with the help of Docker only.
Yeah, I'm using Harbor actually.
Correct. Harbor Docker. Yes, same
Yeah.
only. Yes, it's same only. Cool.
Okay.
Good. And what are things you are seeing in your company as a migration? How they are doing it? Any idea?
It's not a migration. It's fully a fresh deployment. We have a package from our development team, and accordingly we will modify the parameters according to the customers.
Okay.
Then we will deploy, and we will do the networking configurations also in that.
Cool. Good.
And we'll take care of end-to-end deliveries like security hardenings and ATPs, function test cases will be there.
Cool. Kumar, I have a suggestion for you. Whatever you are doing it, okay? In the next 1 month, gather the information. That's it. Okay? For your current project. Okay? Whatever the knowledge in the next 1 month or 2 months, I will give it to you. We will merge it. Okay? And then you will go for it.
Yeah.
Okay?
Okay.
Cool. Fine.
Thank you.
Next person. Kumar, you are satisfied with my answers?
Yes, Vikas.
Cool. Thank you. Any other person? Any other question? Guys, if nothing, let's introduce. At least we will know each other. If you are my student, at least we will know each other. So that this group will be more interactive. That's it. Cool. Anyone, my Batch-32 student? Pratik, I know you.
I did introduce myself formally. So
but you unmuted and you talk with the team, right? Go ahead, introduce yourself, please, and switch on the camera. I'm seeing your status as well because your number is saved.
Okay.
Yeah, cool.
So yeah, my name is Pratik. So I have almost like 11 years of experience.
Cool.
I started my journey with Wipro
Good.
in the field of mainframe production support.
Okay.
It was operations there, and then
Okay.
I moved on to different companies. I worked for almost like 7 years in a product-based company called IQVIA.
Okay.
And later in 2020, when the Corona hit, even it hit my job too. So later, I had to switch because mainframe is not something which is bread and butter.
Correct. I get
Yeah,
it.
that's what I felt. Later, I started looking for different things, and I started researching myself. Then I started learning Linux on my own.
That's good.
I could not clearly understand what is happening. Then
I will teach. I will teach. No need to
yeah,
worry.
and I understood later. I installed a dual boot system on my system,
Good.
and now I'm working both on Linux and Windows.
Okay,
So
fine.
that is on one end.
Why
And
you are
then
doing
later,
why you are doing a dual boot? You can install any of the software like mobile Steam or something, na?
yeah, that is quite. I felt like that is quite heavy. Instead,
No man,
like
it's a 20 MB software only.
still, I felt like working with the Ubuntu is something different than coming here and
That's
doing
okay.
this.
See,
Yeah,
I will tell you one option. Okay. If you want to learn Linux only, second option, Git Bash. Okay.
yeah, that is absolutely.
Two software is
Yeah.
ready made. You can just learn the Linux command here and here, both the places.
Yes, yes.
And even I can see that if it's in my machine,
Yeah.
Ubuntu is itself or not. No, I have deleted, but I have a VMs also, Oracle. Okay. You can create a virtual box like this. Okay. CentOS, Ubuntu. You can create it like this. So 3 ways you can create a.
Yeah.
Instead
I
of
did
one.
this. I did this actually. After that's what I was telling. Like I joined one big data course. It was like I did too many things. Okay,
Okay.
so after that I did work on these things, but I was still not satisfied that my career will be like it's not super proof. Like
Okay.
last time when I did with the mainframe, I don't want to again do the same thing. So then later I joined with Amazon, which is like a restart program. It was happening in India for the first time, and we are the first batch. So it was completely free for 3 months, which was giving by Amazon itself.
Okay.
And 3 months boot camp I did with it was all about AWS.
Okay.
So they taught me lots of services, including Linux, everything.
Do you have the material for that?
Yeah, I do have.
Okay,
So
cool. Just compare with my syllabus. Okay, whatever is not in my syllabus. Okay, let me know. In the future batches, I will add that also. Okay,
okay, sure,
because
sure.
definitely I have to take the reference from someone who is a
Yes.
godfather, right?
Yeah, that is true. That is true.
Correct.
Yeah, and then I joined one company which was actually a startup, which was basically working on IAM, which is very based to any this
IAM.
one multi
Okay.
so identity access management. So
Correct.
they were working on that, and then
That's not
for
very good. Okay, that's not good.
yeah, moreover, they were not completely into cloud. When I joined, I felt like it was into the cloud. At least I would try to learn something.
Okay.
I can grab something. But after joining, I found that they are using the pretty old technology with the Tomcat, and they were they were running, and I said goodbye to them. And then now I'm free. I started again back to you. When I actually seen your profile like back then, it was I felt like it was still not organized, but now I see that it is pretty well organized and streamed pretty well.
See, it's my 6 years of or 7 years of my teaching
True.
experience. Okay,
True.
and as I today also I told that if something is good, okay,
Yes.
I will add in my syllabus.
True,
So it's not like that in the next batch the syllabus will be same. It can be add on.
Yeah.
Always. Okay.
Yeah.
Because see, if the next batch will be a 2024, correct? So
Yeah.
the student will be has a more demand, whatever the IT is demanding, right?
True.
So I will definitely update my syllabus as well.
Yes. So that's what I felt like. Now it is the time for me to join. So I joined.
Cool, good. Thank you.
Yeah.
Thanks for the good introduction. Okay.
Thank you.
Pratik, whatever is your previous experience, consolidate everything. Okay.
Yes.
And make it as a 3 years, 4 years as a hard proof or good thing. And then add this as a, based on, at least you will add 3-4 years, I'm sure. Okay.
Yeah.
Add this one. Okay.
Even I actually got a few calls. I attended an interview with Amazon itself, and then I did got a call for senior solution architects. I mean, they were actually behind me.
Don't go there. Expectation.
I don't want to.
Okay.
Like,
They are ready
they
to.
only told finally.
They are
that
ready to
our
give 50,
expectations were-
55 lakh package also. Okay.
True.
But expectation will be there.
True. I did clear the first round actually with them with the networking part, but then they only told that it is not for you. Expectation is.
I'm
quite
also
high.
telling the same
So,
thing.
yeah.
That is not for you. Okay.
True.
Means I don't know, but see, when this many changes happen now, sometimes someone will be very groomed up, okay, or
Yeah.
someone will not be a groomed up.
True.
Okay. Let's assume someone tell that I did a 15 switch in the 10 years. So either you are a super talented or either you are not very good. Correct? Right?
Not
Because
able to
if-
fit anywhere.
Correct. If 15 switches in 10 years, either you are in 70 lakh package or either you are in 15 lakh package. Right? So both the case are possible. Right? So,
I'm not trying to switch myself, but I'm switching the technology like anything.
correct.
So anyway, I'm now stick to DevOps.
Correct. Pratik, make a habit. Okay, one suggestion for you. Okay, as you have a 10 years of experience, mock interviews, give it to me. Okay, so that every time I will give a suggestion to you. Okay, what you have to do.
Sure.
Okay, make a habit. Every Wednesday 9 p.m. be available. Okay, 15 minutes at least. Just give the interview to me. Okay. If you will give 5 interviews to me, you are the eligible for 30 lakh package or 25 to 30. I don't know your current, but yeah, minimum you can ask.
Yeah. I actually, whatever I was drawing, I joined my recent company with half of my salary because I just wanted to learn.
This is the problem.
So,
okay.
yeah.
This is the problem. That's why I told 15 switch, either 70 lakh package or either 20 lakh package.
Yeah,
okay.
true.
Both cases are possible.
True.
Okay. Good. Fine. Yep.
Thank you, sir.
Thanks. Next person. Anyone else? Any other question? Ajay, at least talk with me. Kavya, Redmi 8 Pro, change your name. Roshna, if you want to talk with me, talk. Sudha, Ketan, Sheetal. Guys, anyone has any question? Yes, no. Yes, Sheetal.
Hello.
Yes, Sheetal. Go ahead.
Sir, I have a question about the EC2 instance.
Go ahead. What's your question?
Sir, if you are creating the 2 different EC2 instance in a different data center,
okay,
then in CLI, how we can access both of them?
Okay, it's an interview question, right?
Hello?
It's an interview question?
Yeah. Yesterday I already told, but there is my confusion, so not able to explain in detail about that.
Okay, chalo, let me draw it. Okay, pen. Okay, because see, you understood the question, I understood the question, but everyone has to understand the question. Okay, one data center, another data center. Okay, in the one data center, one EC2 machine, in the another data center, another EC2 machine. Okay, and CLI is, this is your personal laptop. Okay, CLI has been AWS, CLI has been installed here. Okay, now your requirement is you want to, I created on a wrong place. Okay, this is your computer. You want to connect to this machine also, or you want to connect to this machine also, right?
Yes.
This is your requirement. This is your requirement, yes or no?
Hello.
Yes, Sheetal, this is your question.
Yes, sir. Yes.
So what is the problem? AWS CLI has a capability. If you will, do you know AWS CLI commands?
No, I have a question. If you are printing some message in both of them, in different message in different EC2, right? If you are
Different.
running the
Wait. Sheetal. Different message means?
in a echo command, we have printing some message welcome to world, and another echo, another EC2 instance, we have printing something in another data center, right?
Okay.
And, while we are running the web server, it shows both of them message simultaneously if you are refreshing the server.
Okay, fine. See, your question is completely related to the load balancer. Okay, your question is related to this thing. Where is my syllabus? See, where is that? Where is that? Where is that? Where is that? Yeah. Okay. Create a load balancer, configure two EC2 instance and distribute the load. Okay, I did the same thing. Echo. Okay, one web server is in another data center, or another web server in another data center. You have to create a ELB, elastic load balancer, who will do this activity. Sheetal, you have my previous batch access also, correct?
Hello.
Sheetal, you have my previous batch access also, correct?
Yes, sir.
Have you seen this practical?
No, sir.
Just see this, you will get the answer with the practical approach.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Yep.
Your question related to EC2, your question related to the practical 3. Okay, so just see this practical. That is your interview question.
Okay, sir. Fine. Thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah.
What else? Next person, next question.
Hi, Vikas.
Yep.
Yeah, just now only you said about that CLI. What is the meaning for CLI?
CLI. Okay. Do you know AWS CLI anything? No. AWS.
Day one, day two, day
okay.
three.
No problem. No problem. Do you know what is this? What is this? What is this?
Command prompt.
Yes, it's a command prompt. Okay. If I will run AWS CONFIGURE AWS command, what will happen? My AWS cloud is getting connected to this. Okay. And the full form of CLI is command line interface. AWS is connected with the commands, that is AWS CLI. Got the answer? Array, who is that person who asked the question? Samant, you got the answer?
Yeah.
If you haven't got, let me explain you in a better way, different way. Okay.
Okay.
Don't say simply yes that you understood. Okay. See, if I'm connecting the AWS, at this point I'm connecting with the console. Correct? Yes or no? This is the console of AWS. If I'm connecting AWS with the help of commands, that is called AWS CLI. Is that fine?
Yeah, because.
Suman, are you agree?
Yeah.
Cool. Good. Thank you. And yeah, if you want to change the data center from here, at this point, I have selected my data center as a US-2. If you want to switch it, you can change. Give the name of the data center. It will get changed from here. Yep. Next person, next question. Guys, if nothing.
Yeah, because
yes, Sumanda?
Probably what we can use for the command prompt, or else we have to log in the AWS.
Sumant, this depends. 70-80% audience is using the console, or even 90% companies are using the console. 10% people are using the CLI. It's a choice. Got it?
I didn't talk about CLI.
How much is your experience?
5 years non-technical industry. From
I
the day one onwards, I'm following. From day 1 to day 3, it's very clear about everything.
So day 50 will also be very clear. You don't have to worry. I'm always, if it's not clear. Okay, I will be available.
But this CLI, I didn't know.
CLI, I haven't teach also.
Yeah.
CLI will come into the picture. Okay, I will tell you when the CLI will come. CLI will come in this day. Okay, 36, 37. Okay, around 36, 37 day, the CLI will come into the picture, as well as, yeah, in this day only primarily. Okay, because here we will create with the help of AWS, we will create AWS with the help of Terraform. So AWS CLI will come into the picture.
Okay.
Yep.
Yeah, because see, in the day one class, we have explained about the Linux DCSS, like we have to create the website, right?
Hmm.
Yeah, in that we have used one command like ls.
No worries. ls is just a very simplest command of Linux. Okay, I will teach the Linux in a very better way in this classes. Okay, just continue.
So I don't know the meaning of the ls. That's
anyone here who knows what is ls? Give me the answer. I don't have to give this answer.
To list the file or to list the directories, whatever
Correct.
is there.
Correct. Okay, let me run it. Let me show you. Okay, let us assume.
Short form of list is ls.
Correct. Okay, let us assume I am opening my Git Bash terminal here. Okay, in the terminal, I am into the desktop folder and I want to see how many files are available into the desktop. So I will type ls command and I am pressing enter, and this all files are available in the ls. In this desktop folder, all these files are visible to me. Okay, this is a Linux command. Okay, so I will ask the Windows command to you, cmd. Okay,
we can add few more ls-l for listing for
he
the
don't
long
know
format.
ls. Wait, he don't know ls.
Yeah,
Okay, so don't confuse him. Okay, now ls in Windows, guys, this command prompt is a Windows. Can anyone tell me the answer? What is the same thing as ls into the Windows? Guys, give the answer. Everyone is using the laptop. What is the command? Windows command I need. Anyone knows the answer? If no, take it as a homework, find out the answer, okay? And let me know in any of the WhatsApp group. Guys, go to Google, find out the answer, please.
dir, because
Correct, it's a dir, okay? If you will run the dir command, all the listing will be visible here in the Windows. Dir is a Windows command. That's it. If you tell that I know Windows, people, guys, you don't know Windows also, okay? Cool.
Okay.
Any other question?
Hello.
Yes, Sheetal.
Sir, if I created one of the directory or the any file through the CLI, but not able to find the file which I also stored, or there is some root path. So which command we can use for the access the file?
If you created the file, definitely it will be available into the current location wherever you created it. Okay. Sheetal, tell me the command. How to check it? What is my current location?
By using the CD.
Wrong. Tell me the
PWD, I think.
Let him give. Yes, with the
Yeah.
PWD command, I'm in the desktop folder,
Current
right?
path for the root user.
Correct. See, this is I'm running into my Windows, so root user will not happen. Okay. If you will run the sudo -i command, it will become the root user into the Linux machine. Okay.
Yes.
Okay, cool. Now I'm going to any of the folder. Let me go to the folder test, TESTS. Okay, CDLS. Okay, here a lot of files are there. I'm creating a one more directory, MKDIR SHEETAL. Okay.
Yes.
CDSHEETL. I'm going inside it. Okay, ls at this point nothing is there. PWD, you can see here I'm into the Sheetal folder, right? Sheetal directory, correct? If
Yes.
I created with the help of mkdir, it will be definitely available. Got the answer?
Yes, sir. I said in the interview same answer, but he doesn't accept it for the PWD.
No, you haven't given the answer to me. Sheetal, I want you to give the interview to me. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Because you are telling that I given this answer, but you are not giving the answer to me. Give the answer to me, then only I will get a confidence on you.
Okay, sir. No issue.
Got it?
Yes, sir.
Okay, nothing should be in air. It should be very straightforward. Okay?
Yes.
Cool. No worries. Sheetal, no worries. Next Wednesday, give the interview to me. Okay? I
Yes.
will tell, we will start with very, very simple things. Okay? And after giving the interviews to me, okay, your confidence will get increased automatically.
Yes, sir. Sure.
Okay? Because see, I will start with very, very simple thing. And if you want to go for 10 lakh package, I will ask the question for the 10 lakh package. If you want to go for 20, 30, 40 lakh package, I will ask the question accordingly.
Yes, sir. Sure.
Cool.
Yeah.
Thank you. Yep.
Thank you, sir.
What else? Guys, if nothing, can we wind up the today's session?
Sir,
Go ahead. Yes, Upnesh.
Sir, what is external IP and internal IP?
I already given this answer in the day 1 and day 2. You haven't attended my day 1, day 2 classes?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
You attended, yes or no?
Yes, sir. I am trying day 2 model, sir.
You are trying to revise.
GCP, sir. Sorry. I am trying to get my account and I am doing this there.
Guys, first, can you fix it your headphone? If you will give with this type of headphone in interview will say, let him reject. Straightforward.
Okay,
guys,
sir,
no problem. Can anyone give the answer?
Hear me, sir?
Wait. Can anyone give the answer? What is external IP? What is internal IP? To Sophie.
So, like,
Good.
internal IP is like we can connect the VMs within the GCP account.
Within the same, within the same cloud provider, okay? Or within the same cloud, that's it. Don't say GCP word here, okay?
Okay. We can connect also AWS also, right?
With the internal IP, you can't connect another cloud, okay? Internal IP is inside the same VPC, that's it.
Okay, sir.
External IP, yeah, Jyoti, Kavya, give the answer, yes?
External IP, we can connect over the internet.
In the internet, everything will come. AWS, GCP, Azure, whatever you want, it can be connected with every place.
Okay.
Cool. Okay, guys. Any other question? Everyone satisfied?
Yeah, Vikas.
Yes,
Cool.
yes.
Cool. Guys, any last question?
You can explain any scenario, practical.
It's my everyday job. I will take 4 to 5 scenarios in every class. Umar got the answer. You can just see the day 1, day 2, 3 classes. You will get at least 5 to 7 scenarios.
Okay, Vikas.
Okay. Yep, cool. Okay, guys. If nothing, can we wind up the today's session?
One question with
Go ahead.
regards to last batch, that is for Docker.
Yeah,
okay.
right.
So if we want to run a website through a container, whether it is possible, because we are not exposing that container outside.
Who told we are not exposing? Who told? Who told we are not exposing? We are exposing.
Okay.
See, we are writing hyphen P8080, right?
Yeah.
With the help of that keyword only, it is exposing 80 port of the container, 80 port of the container to the 80 port of the virtual machine. This is getting done with the help of this keyword.
Okay. Okay. Got it. Yeah.
Okay.
And one more question,
Good.
this is with regards to Kubernetes. So when we run a container inside Kubernetes, you said that most of them, like 75% or 80%, they are running only the one container, not 2 or 3. So if you want to run 2 or 3 containers, how it can be done?
Container, see, that time, let me open an image. Okay. This is node, okay, or this is called pod. Okay, let's
Yeah.
understand pod. Okay, this is pod. In the Kubernetes sum, don't call as a container, call as a pod.
Yeah, it's pod.
Okay,
Yeah.
inside a pod, there may be possible one container, one volume. Okay, that is
Yeah.
possible. This is
Yeah.
ideal case scenario.
Yes.
If you want a multiple containers inside a pod, yes, you can create it the way you are creating one. Okay, in the code only, give one annotation. Okay, and type container, container container name. Okay, and ABC, and second again you will create container2 container container name 1 2 3 another container, so that in the same pod when you will write it kind kind pod, the two containers will be inside it.
Okay.
That's it.
Okay. Okay. We have kind. Okay.
Good question. It's a good question. Okay.
Thank you.
It can be an interview question.
Okay.
Yeah.
That's all from me.
Yep. Okay. Let me show you if it's possible, if it's open in my screen. Just give me a second. New window. I'm opening a new window. Okay, in my Visual Studio. Okay, I'm just going here. I'm opening a new file. Okay, abc.yaml. Okay, let me create abc.yml file in the desktop, in the test folder. Okay, here only. Okay, my file has been kube.yml. Okay, kube kube. I'm just creating a deployment. Okay, in the deployment, just search Control F container. Okay, see here is a one container, right? Here is
Yes.
written one container, correct? You can
Yes.
copy this code, paste it 2 times, and change the name 1 2 3. Done. You have a
Okay.
2 container inside a one
Okay.
pod, inside a one deployment.
Okay.
That's it. Very high level, but
Yeah.
yeah, this is the answer. Okay.
Okay.
If this is tough, the simple answer is this: in the kind port or in the kind deployment, just create 2 containers. That's it.
Okay.
Okay. If that is tough, this is the simple. You just have to understand this logic. I did the same thing here
With the YAML file, yeah.
with the YAML file.
Okay.
Don't think that I have written any code. I haven't written
Yes,
anything,
yes.
right?
Got it. Yes.
Guys, the code, nowadays developers are not writing the code. They are just using the extension. Whatever you want to develop, config map, config deployment, whatever you want to develop, pod, just click here. The pod has been created. Here, the one container is written here. The one container is here. Okay. If you will copy and paste, another container will get created inside a pod. That's it. Good
Thank you,
interview
sir.
question. Okay. If you know this much answer, feel free to ask 20 lakh package. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Cool. Thank you. Guys, any other question? Technical, non-technical, any question, any topic. No need to restrict on one topic, any topic. If nothing, can we wind up the today's session? Yes, no, please.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Thank you, guys. Let's meet Monday, 8 a.m. IST on the live session. Okay. We will complete our day 3 part. Okay. Whatever is pending, we will make it green and we will start the Linux from the Monday itself. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, everyone. Bye-bye.
Bye.